Hi everyone, it's Ray. Let's fly over my gardens. So my nephew took this drone video, and what you're seeing right here is my tomato garden, and it's very surreal to see it this way. I'm like, my rows aren't straight. But anyways, it works out. I do the best I can. So you can see my tomatoes on the panels. And this right here is my onion and carrot and cucumber garden. I did a video on that a few weeks ago. So I do like to alternate the rows of the carrots and onions. It's a good way of companion planting. So this video was taken about a week ago, and already the garden is so much bigger than that. It's so strange to see that. It's almost like we're hang gliding over the top of the garden. And then there we're going back to the tomato garden. You can see the contrast with the amaranth. It's so pretty. And then, oh, there's my melon garden. There's popcorn and sunflowers. And then this is where I have my pumpkins, and unfortunately I did lose. You can see that blank spot on the bottom left side. I had to take out a plant that got destroyed by the vine borer. So I did plant a zucchini and a summer squash since then. And then you can see that maroon colored plant. That's the amaranth in that garden as well. So that is the drone footage. Thank you for flying over the gardens with me.